At number 50, Toyota from Japan. Valued at $240 billion with a share price of $182, Toyota earns money by selling hybrid and fuel-efficient vehicles globally. At number 49, IBM from the United States. With a $242 billion market cap and a share price of $260, it profits from enterprise IT, artificial intelligence, and cloud services. At number 48, Kuaichou Mutai from China, worth $248 billion in share price $197. It makes money by producing high-end traditional Chinese liquor. At number 47, Prosus from the Netherlands. With a $252 billion market cap and a share price of $57, it earns by investing in global tech, including a big stake in Tencent. At number 46, Philip Morris International from the United States. Valued at $252 billion with share price $162. It profits from selling cigarettes and smokeless tobacco products worldwide. At number 45, Salesforce from the United States. With $253 billion in market cap and a share price of $264, it makes money through customer relationship management software. Number 44, Roche from Switzerland. Valued at $257 billion each and share price $320, it earns through pharmaceuticals and advanced biotech solutions. Number 43, Wells Fargo from the United States. With $263 billion market cap and share price $81, it profits from traditional banking, lending, and investments. Number 42, LVMH from France, worth $269 billion, share price $541. It earns big from luxury fashion, perfumes, and wine under brands like Louis Vuitton and Dior. Number 41, Cisco from the United States. Market cap of $270 billion, share price $68. It makes money from networking hardware, software, and cybersecurity services. Number 40, T-Mobile US from the United States. Valued at $271 billion with share price $241. It earns from mobile data plans and telecom services. Number 39, Hermès from France. With a $278 billion market cap and a premium share price of $25 at $40, it profits from selling high-end fashion and leather goods. Number 38, China Construction Bank from China. Market cap is $280 billion, share price $1. It earns through domestic banking, lending, and financial services. Number 37, ASML from the Netherlands. Worth $284 billion in share price $721. It profits by selling high-tech machines for chip manufacturing. Number 36, Alibaba from China. Valued at $284 billion, share price $117. It earns through e-commerce, logistics, and cloud computing services. Number 35, General Electric from the United States. With $290 billion market cap and share price $273, it makes money from aerospace engines and energy technology. Number 34, AMD from the United States. Market cap is $291 billion, share price $179. It profits from CPUs and GPUs used in PCs, consoles, and servers. At number 33, Coca-Cola from the United States. Valued at $295 billion with share price $68, it earns from selling beverages and iconic soft drinks globally. At number 32, Agricultural Bank of China from China. Worth $300 billion, it makes money by offering rural and commercial banking services in China. At number 31, Chevron from the United States. With a $312 billion market cap and share price of $153, it earns through oil drilling, refining, and fuel production. At number 30, AbbVie from the United States. Valued at $334 billion, share price $189. It profits by developing and selling pharmaceuticals, notably Humira. At number 29, SAP from Germany. Market cap of $337 billion, share price $290. It earns through enterprise software and business solutions. At number 28, Samsung from South Korea, worth $337 billion, share price $51. It profits from electronics, smartphones, and memory chips. At number 27, ICBC from China. With a $346 billion market cap, it earns from state-backed commercial banking and lending. At number 26, Bank of America from the United States. Valued at $356 billion, share price $47. It earns through traditional banking, loans, and investment services. At number 25, Procter & Gamble from the United States. Market cap of $358 billion, share price $152. It profits from consumer products like Pampers, Tide, and Gillette. At number 24, Home Depot from the United States, worth $370 billion with share price 372s. It earns by selling home improvement goods and tools to consumers and professionals. At number 23, Palantir from the United States. With $374 billion in market cap and a share price of $158, it profits from data analytics platforms used by governments and business. At number 22, Johnson & Johnson from the United States. Market cap is $402 billion, share price $167. It makes money through pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health products. At number 21, Costco from the United States. Valued at $411 billion and share price $927, it earns through bulk retail and annual memberships. At number 20, ExxonMobil from the United States. With a market cap of $482 billion and share price $111, it profits from oil exploration, refining, and gas sale. At number 19, Netflix from the United States, worth $503 billion with share price $1,184. It earns through streaming subscriptions and original content. At number 18, MasterCard from the United States. Market cap is $507 billion, share price $559. It makes money from processing digital payments across the globe. At number 17, Tencent from China, valued at $634 billion, share price $69. It profits from gaming, social platforms like WeChat, and online services. At number 16, Visa from the United States. With a market cap of $681 billion and share price $350, it earns through fees on card transactions and payment networks. At number 15, Eli Lilly from the United States, worth $682 billion, share price $760. It profits from medicines, especially for diabetes, obesity, and cancer. At number 14, Oracle from the United States, valued at $703 billion and share price $250. It earns by selling database software and cloud infrastructure. At number 13, Walmart from the United States. Market cap is $778 billion, share price $97. It earns through discount retail stores and e-commerce. At number 12, JPMorgan Chase from the United States. With a $823 billion market cap and share price $299, it profits from investment banking and financial services. At number 11, Berkshire Hathaway from the United States. Valued at $1.03 trillion and share price $476, it earns by owning a wide range of businesses and stock investments. At number 10, Tesla from the United States. With a $1.03 trillion market cap and share price of $319, it profits by selling electric cars, batteries, and energy products. At number 9, TSMC from Taiwan. Market cap of $1.26 trillion, share price $242. It earns by manufacturing chips for top tech companies. At number 8, Broadcom from the United States, worth $1.42 trillion with share price $302. It makes money from semiconductors and software for enterprise and cloud. At number 7, Saudi Aramco from Saudi Arabia. Valued at $1.56 trillion, share price $6. It earns by producing and exporting oil worldwide. At number 6, Meta, Facebook from the United States. Market cap is $1.75 trillion, share price $6.95. It profits through ads on Facebook, Instagram, and other social platforms. At number 5, Alphabet Google from the United States, worth $2.38 trillion, share price $197. It earns from digital ads, YouTube, Android, and cloud services. At number 4, Amazon from the United States, valued at $2.44 trillion, share price $230. It profits through e-commerce, cloud, AWS, and ads. At number 3, Apple from the United States. With a $3.12 trillion market cap and share price $209, it earns from iPhones, services, and wearable devices. At number 2, Microsoft from the United States. Worth $3.81 trillion, share price $513. It makes money through software, cloud, Azure, and enterprise solution. At number 1, NVIDIA from the United States. Market cap of $4.37 trillion and share price $179. It earns by selling high-performance GPUs and AI hardware powering the future of tech. Which company impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.